On this episode of In the Shop, we work on making a chessboard using a kit from Forest2Home. There is a link in the description if you would like more information. We started by gluing the walnut and ash strips together and then clamped those tight. Once the glue was dried, we made a couple passes through Ned sanders to remove any extra glue. You could do this with a scraper or an orbital sander, whatever you got. My brother then cut these into 2-inch strips using the table saw and sled. It's really nice having the extra space in the shop, especially as there's extra dogs and people hanging around with us while we work. Once all the cuts were complete, we alternated the strips for the next glue up. This will give us the checkerboard pattern. We also glued up the thin strips that came with the kit for the perimeter of the board. When all that was dry, my brother made the miter cuts, then glued these to the edges of the main board. With the new to me lathe, I started turning some cedar logs we had on hand into a tree. Someone said I took what was a tree and turned it back into the tree. I thought that was kind of funny. I'm definitely far from being an expert at wood turning, but I've enjoyed the process of learning and look forward to trying many more projects. The amazing color difference makes turning with Eastern red cedar a lot of fun. Making the final parting cut seems tricky, but so far these have gone well for me. With the chessboard dry, a little sanding and polyurethane, and it was ready to go. Thanks for watching.